1-3, understand when two expressions are equivalent. Number 5, explain if the two expressions are equivalent or not. Please explain with words. Let's look at A. Understand what the word equivalent means. Equivalent is another word for the same. Okay. Let's see if this is the same as equal to this. Well, we can simplify it so we can take a better look at it. R plus R plus R plus R, which is just 4R. Okay, then we have 5 plus R. These two here, this and this, are not the same. So if you said not the same, you can also say the two expressions here are not equivalent. Because look, they're not the same. Let's take a look here. 3m plus 12 and 3 parentheses m plus 4. Well, when we see a parentheses, let's make sure we simplify. We simplify by distributing. So we are going to have the 3 is going to be multiplied to the m, and then we have the 3 is going to be multiplied to that 4. So plus 3 parentheses 4. 3 times m is 3m. 3 times 4 is 12. Let's see if that matches up. These two are matched up. So you can write here that the two expressions are, let me just copy this over. So you can say here the expressions are the same. The two are the same, so the two expressions are equivalent. And that's after you distribute. Next, let's take a look at this C. Well, let's combine some like terms here. So I have a y and a y here. So these are like terms. 3y plus 4y becomes 7y. Then we have the square root, which is 6, and the 5. That together gets you the value of 11. Okay, plus 11. And let's see if this is the same as the 9 plus 9y. No, these two are not the same. So they're not the same. So let me grab these. These are not the same. So you can write that the two expressions here are not equivalent. So there you go. That's how you tell. Make sure you simplify those expressions to look at them to see if they are equivalent or not.